we are here at the Homewood Suites, Cape Canaveral, close to the cruise port. This is a king bed suite, so we'll start right inside the door in the living room area. As we come into the room, first things first, we have a dining room table with 2 chairs. One of them is being used by my backpack at the moment. And then you have a little kitchenette with a dishwasher. Cabinet number 1 has a toaster, along with a couple other dishes. And then looking into cabinet number 2, here is where most of the dishes are located. Continuing over past the sink, you got a little hot plate stove area with a microwave above it. And another cabinet up here, just in case you do need some extra storage. And below the hot plate and stove area, got a couple drawers with everything you need. Cabinet number 2 has your trash can and some extra paper towels and some soap if you want to wash dishes. And then as we spin around from the microwave and the stove, we have a refrigerator freezer. With an ice bucket above, and you have an ice maker in the freezer if you would like to make your own ice, and plenty of room in the refrigerator. As we head into the living room, got a big lamp here with a trash can. Next to the lamp, you've got a floor-to-ceiling mirror. On the table, you got a phone. My phone doesn't count, that's just sitting there, but you got your first room phone. Another lamp over here. Window looking out with your heating and cooling below it. And then you got your table down here as well. Over here is the TV for the living room. There's also some storage below. Next to the TV, there's a chair to sit on, as well as temperature control for this part of the room. As I mentioned, this is a king suite, so here's your king size bed. On the right side of the bed, right in front of me, got a little table with your phone, lamp, and this white remote down here controls the fan above the bed. So that's handy if you do need to have a fan, you got one. On this wall, here's your temperature control for the room. Got your TV with, again, storage. On this wall, we have the window looking out, and then below the window, we have the heating cooling unit for the bedroom. And then you got your other nightstand over here with the alarm clock, another lamp, and another drawer. And then as we continue on, we come to the bathroom area. In front of me is the closet. Then we'll pan over from the closet. Here is your vanity area, along with a big mirror. Hello. Behind me, you come into your throne room. So we got throne down here with some towels above it. And finally, the bathtub / shower. This has been a real quick look at a king suite at the Homewood Suites near Cape Canaveral. This is a great stop for a pre-cruise hotel. You are really close to the cruise port. And of course, as always, if you like the content, be sure to hit that like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe. And don't forget to ring the bell to stay up to date with my latest adventures. Until next time, this is Matt signing off. Have a good one.